Assalamu alaikum, welcome back to Volunteer Undercover. Last time we helped in the security department with Brother Hashid, where we had a couple hiccups on the way. For example, I almost got run over and had to tell people off for doing things that they really shouldn't be doing in the mosque. Overall, we helped make it a much better and safer environment. This time, however, we will be volunteering undercover as part of the kitchen crew. If you can't tell already, they work with making the food, packing the food, and serving the food. And so, let's go help Brother Falahati with the kitchen. Assalamu alaikum.
Assalamu, how are you?
Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum. Assalamu alaikum.
How are you?
I'm doing good, alhamdulillah.
Are you the guy from the show?
Which one?
The Undercover?
Yeah, I'm part of that.
I love your show.
Thank you so
Can I
much.
please get a photo? Sorry.
No, it's okay. I don't
Please,
need. I really don't.
Chic, very
Okay,
nice.
thank you, brother.
Sorry, brother. Yes,
I'm good. Is your dad here? I volunteered.
No, unfortunately, he didn't come in today.
Oh, he didn't come?
Yeah.
So who's in charge of the kitchen?
Today,
Oh, your daddy over here.
Brother Shuja!
Oh.
Yes, Brother Shuja's over here.
Yeah,
He's in charge.
So I signed up for the volunteering for
Right.
the kitchen and everything.
Okay.
And so what's the first thing I can do?
You can go to the store and grab some coconut milk from there.
Okay.
And when you come back, then I'll tell you what needs to be done next.
Okay.
All right, thanks.
No problem.
Good to see you.
Good to see you too, alhamdulillah. Oh, assalamu alaikum.
Oh, salam
Brother,
alaikum,
salam
brother.
alaikum.
We meet again.
Well, aren't you the one that like messed up the parking and the food and everything?
Oh, I'm not sure if you have heard, but I have changed my ways. You have exposed me to the truth.
Oh.
Now I am part of kitchen crew.
Oh, alhamdulillah,
Yes,
that's
what
really
brings you
nice.
here?
I just need to bring, I just need to bring this to
Oh,
to
the
Brother
coconut?
Yeah, this is for the recipe.
Okay, I need to bring this too. So
Oh, okay,
let us
perfect.
Go, let
Oh,
us
that's really cool.
continue.
Yeah.
These are great encounters. Let's have about them.
Thank you. Abbas.
What? Oh my God,
Assalamu
salam
alaikum, bro. Where have you
alaikum,
been,
dude.
man?
Long and complicated story, dude. Remember I was in the AV team,
Yeah.
I was helping you out, then I messed up. And then you kicked me out.
I'm so sorry about that.
It's
My
fine,
bad.
it's fine, it's fine, it's fine. Then
Okay.
I went to work with security because I still had that drive to help someone out, some people out, and that people was my community.
Yeah.
And so I got kicked out of there because I realized that you were the person that was
Oh,
replacing.
I don't know what to tell you, man.
And then I went to work with guest services and I just messed up there completely and they kicked me out too.
There too?
Yeah, man.
Oh, man.
And then I went to work at the kids program and they didn't give me anything to do. So to entertain myself, I just had to look over a couple papers in the back and eat fries.
Ouch. Sorry.
Yeah, dude, it's fine.
So what are you doing in the kitchen?
I just came here as like a last resort to help my community out and it's working, yeah.
Actually, you'll go with me?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. That's awesome. So you
Yeah.
actually go work here.
Yeah.
Sick, bro. All right, I'm gonna go help Brother Falahati finish the food. So
Yeah, for sure. All right.
Abbas.
Khalafis.
Salam alaikum, brother. You are cooking over here? Brother, can I add this?
What is this?
Brother, this is unique.
I just.
Brother, trust me, it's a special recipe. Brother, a special recipe. My grandma, she brings it from the village.
It's very good.
Very long time ago.
Maybe next time I saw you.
Brother, it's good for a new system.
Can you see that over there? Yeah, can you bring it over here? Yeah. Can you pour it in as I'm cooking? As I'm serving?
Brother, what is this coconut milk? Brother, I do not remember this being part of my grandmother's recipe.
No, it's Brother Falahati's recipe.
Brother, do you even know what it is? Who is this Buddhist monk on it, brother?
No, brother, that's not.
Brother,
it's halal.
Thailand? Brother, this is not Iran, brother. This is
It's
Thailand.
halal, brother. It's 100% halal.
Brother, are you sure?
100%.
Brother, who told you to put this?
Brother Falahati, he knows, he checks everything, make sure everything's halal.
In that case, okay.
Thank you. Abbas, can you come here?
Yeah.
Can you grab that spoon? So I just put salt in. I want to see how it tastes. Can you just give it a try and just tell me? Okay?
Ah, man, why is it sweet?
Sweet?
Yeah,
What do you mean it's sweet? Like
it's sweet. Is it supposed to be?
Oh wait, that's. Oh, I put sugar. Brother, can you come here? Can you grab a spoon actually?
Oh, yes.
So I fixed the sugar and salt issue.
Okay.
Can you try and tell me if it's good? Because I'm not sure how good it is.
Brother, this is non-spicy, right?
No, this is spicy.
Brother, why is it? Look, my family back in the village, we ate spicy all day, but this is something different.
Are you okay with it? Are you okay?
No,
Do you need water or anything?
maybe sharbat, something?
Brother,
That's what we used to eat.
Should I go get something?
Just get me some water, bro, hurry up. Where's the water?
Brother, stable.
Brother, what are you doing here? It's very simple. You close this one.
What about there's no space?
You put it here. You close all of them.
Oh, it's
Put it right next to each other. Very simple, brother. It's not rocket science. Okay.
We'll build up from there.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. Thank you, brother.
Very simple.